did you know Xenon?
We were in band together, sat next to her.
Did you guys talk much?
We used to a little bit, yeah.
What happened?
Well, I've always been really involved, and I do like marching band and jazz combo and like pretty much everything, honors festival. And I work really hard, and I think she just does like wind ensemble and nothing else, but somehow she gets $300,000 and I get a little certificate thing saying thanks Molecule for your participation.
What did you have for lunch on the day of the murder 2 Fridays ago?
Oh my gosh, that's a long time ago. A BLT with extra bacon, remember?
Was it good?
It was very good, thanks.
Did you take any medication that day?
Yeah, actually, the extra bacon gave me quite a stomach ache, so I had to take some Alka-Seltzer.
Good.
Alright, Maria? Thank you.
Thank you for coming in today.
Kelly, how did you know Xenon?
Xenon and I, we've been best friends since 4th grade. We grew up on the same street, went to the same elementary school, we shared clothes and dolls.
Who was your 4th grade teacher?
Mrs. Smith.
Alright, that's very good.
I see you're pretty shaken up about this.
I mean, we were best friends. You can't replace someone like that.
What did you have for lunch on the day of the murder 2 Fridays ago?
I think it was a half day. Or no, I had 3rd block off, so I think I went to Wendy's. Had a cheeseburger. Junior bacon cheeseburger, to be exact.
Did you take any medication that day?
Well, you know Wendy's isn't that good of a restaurant, so I took a little Alka-Seltzer to ease the pain.
Alright. Henderson, how did you know Xenon?
Well, I never really knew her until a really bad day when she kicked my dog right in the teeth.
What kind of dog did you have?
It's a little chocolate lab. It was adorable. Now it's got like, face deformities going on. Just because of Xenon.
Why do you think she kicked your dog?
I think mostly just because she's a terrible person. She has no soul. Who can kick the dog? I mean, seriously.
I'm scared.
Yes.
Alright, what did you have for lunch the day of the murder 2 Fridays ago?
2 Fridays ago, I went out to the Italian bistro with my friends and we had pepperoni pizza.
Pizza Hut? The Italian bistro?
Yeah.
It's a good place to go.
Yeah, it's alright.
What time of the day did you go there?
It was like 12:30-ish.
You get the all-you-can-eat lunch buffet?
Yeah.
Of course. Right there. Oof. So did you take any medication after you had your all-you-can-eat buffet? Because I know that can do a number on your stomach.
No, well, my stomach felt fine, but it was really loud in there and just a little obnoxious, so I took some aspirin later on in the day.
Alright, well thank you for coming in. How did you know Xenon?
Well, it's funny. We've had the same classes together for many years. I usually make sure that I sit behind her so I can admire her. But I'm not sure she exactly knows who I am.
Do you like to admire her often?
Well, yeah. Why not? I mean, we're allowed to. As long as I don't know what you're trying to ask me.
Did you see her 2 Fridays ago on the day of the murder?
Yeah, I see her every day.
What was she wearing?
She was wearing that nice shirt that she always wears, and the same pants that she wore the day that she almost said hi to me.
What did you have for lunch that day?
I had a steak and cheese. It's my favorite.
Where'd you get it from?
I got it from the local JP's.
Oh, that's my favorite too. It's a good place to go. Did you take any medication after you ate that steak and cheese?
Well, the steak and cheese at JP's is very, very heavy with the cheese, and it's usually tough for my stomach. And I forgot to take my lactate pill, so I had to take an Alka-Seltzer afterwards. But other than that, no.
Why did you take a lactate pill?
Well, what that does is it allows you to handle more I'm kind of, I guess you could say lactose intolerant. It doesn't settle well.
Thank
Thank
you very much.
How did you know Xenon?
Someone played tennis. She tried out this year, and she was kind of good, but I was still better than her.
What's in your lap over there?
My tennis racket.
Can I have that, please? There's no tennis rackets in the interrogation room.
I don't let my tennis racket go. No, I'm always got my tennis racket.
What's that red stuff on the tennis racket? I'm gonna have to take that tennis racket from you. I do not think
No.
you can have that.
I don't think so.
Oh, no.
I don't
please.
think so.
No, give him the tennis racket. Thank you very much.
Wow.
Gotta take this to examine.
Are you alright?
What'd you have for lunch today to the murder?
What day was it?
2 Fridays ago.
It was Friday. I can't have meat on Friday or dairy, so I probably had a salad or something.
Salad.
Salad?
It's a weak meal. Take any medication that day?
Salad gave me a stomach ache, so I went to the nurse and she gave me some Alka-Seltzer.
That salad gave you a stomach ache.
Yeah.
Sure it did.
It did.
Alright, well thank you very much for coming in. We're gonna take this tennis racket down and get examined.